Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Please smash that thumbs up, click the notification bell. We have another C5 video coming for you. The topic of this video is key fobs, how to change the battery and reprogram. So let's get right to it. Alright, some of you might be thinking, well, why should I watch your video? There's other videos out here, plenty of them on doing this. Well, you know what? I'm going to explain to you later in this video why you should watch my version of this compared to others, okay? So just hang tight and I will give you a darn good reason why you should watch my video instead of someone else's. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to start to pry. Let's just right here. And you'll peel these two pieces apart. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It'd be a little cumbersome to do it on the video, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so the battery you want to use is a 2450. I've got a Duracell. I want to go with something that I can trust. There's probably others you could use, but I'm going with the Duracell. So once you do that, this is what you're going to see, and the battery should pop right out of here pretty easily. And we'll do that now. Now we're in the car, key on, engine off. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to press the reset to clear everything. Then you're going to press options. Until you get a blank screen. From there, you want to press reset. When you see this fob training, okay, from there, you press reset again, and then it says hold and unlock first fob. So you press both those buttons, you hold them down, and it literally is going to be 10 to 15 seconds, I think. So you're just going to wait, and we're going to have to wait together. I'm not going to pause this, so I don't have an extra hand. So let's wait to see what it says. First fob learned. Hold and unlock second fob. Press and unlock both buttons, and wait, like I said, 10 to 15 seconds. Hopefully you can do this like I'm doing it. Second fob learned. Okay, so, and then that's, should be it. From there, options, and you can get out of it. And back out, I hit gauges, got out of it. So, the reason why I want you to watch my video instead of someone else's, right, is because Corvette Dan is the channel that drops new content daily. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This is Corvette Dan. Thank you very much. Until the next one.